Hello everyone, welcome to all in my YouTube channel. So from today we are going to learn about the Bootstrap 5 grid system. Okay, so Bootstrap grid system is built with Flexbox and allows up to 12 columns across the page. So that's why it is one of the useful features provided by Bootstrap. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, we are going to in the Google Chrome, and I am just typing the getbootstrap.com. This website will provide you a boilerplate code. So I'm clicking the docs and I'm copying this code. Include Bootstrap, CSS and JS. I am clicking here in the copy to clipboard. Now we have to come in the Sublime text and you have to paste this code here. After that you have to press Ctrl+S and I am just giving 3 Bootstrap grid.html. okay, and now if I right click and if I click and open in the browser, now you can see it is telling me that hello world. Okay, so in this way it is working. But if your computer is not connected with internet, this CDN will not work. So that's why make sure your computer is connected with internet. Without internet connection, this CDN and this CDN will not work. Okay, so after that I am just using here hello we are learning Bootstrap grid. Okay, so again I am just giving here Bootstrap grid. Now I am just doing this one, so now you can see it is telling me that hello we are learning Bootstrap grid. Okay, so let's discuss about the Bootstrap grid system. Okay, Bootstrap grid system. Okay, so you have to understand that in the Bootstrap grid system there is 12 columns available. Okay, just you have to remember that. Okay, in a Bootstrap grid there is 12 column. Okay, and you can use this one as per your requirement. Okay, so let's discuss so how can you use. And there is six grid classes available in Bootstrap if you are using the Bootstrap grid. Okay, so the first class is the .col. The second class is .col-sm, and the third col-md, and md minus, and another is col-lg minus, another is col-xl minus, and another is .col minus xxl minus. Those are the classes available inside Bootstrap, so you can those classes. Okay, as for your requirement. Okay, so the col is for the extra small devices. Okay, which is less than 576 pixel. Okay, and another is the col-sm class is for the small devices which screen size is equal to 576 pixel or greater than 576 pixel. Okay, so you have to remember this one. And the col-md minus class is for the equal to 768 pixel or greater than 768 pixel screen sizes. And the col-lg screen size is for the equal to 992 pixel or greater than 990 pixel. Okay, and the col-xl minus class is for equal to equal to 1200 pixel or greater than 1200 pixel. Okay, yeah, and the col-xxl-l classes is for equal to 1400 pixel or greater than 1400 pixel. Okay, so you have to remember those things. Okay, if you use this class, it will work if your screen sizes is equal to 1400 pixel or more than 1400 pixel. If you use the .col-xl class, it will work if your screen size is equal to 1200 or it is greater than 1200. If you use the col-lg class, okay, so it will work if your screen size is equal to 992 pixel or greater than 992 pixel. If you use col-md class, it will start to work if your screen size is equal to 768 pixel or greater than 768 pixel. And if you use the .col-sm class, and it will work if your screen size is equal to 576 pixel or greater than 576 pixel. And if you use the .col only, then after that it will work if your screen size is less than 576 pixel. Just you have to memorize those 6 classes, then after that you will be able to use the grid system. So let's start how to use Bootstrap grid classes. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. Okay, so I'm creating a div here, and inside the div, so I'm giving a class. The class is row. Okay, you have to use always row. After that, you have to create another div inside the main div. Okay, then inside this div, you have to give a class that is col. Okay, and I'm just writing here, it's called to 𝗨𝘀𝗵𝗲𝗳𝘂. Okay, and again I'm just selecting this one and I'm copying this one by pressing Ctrl+C, and I'm again pasting this one, again I'm pasting this one and Ctrl+S. Now I'm going to reload my web page here. Let me check. Now you can see here I created 3 columns, right? Okay, so if I right click and if I click in the inspect, and if I decrease my screen sizes, so I am just changing the 567 pixel. Okay, now you can see here, so after the screen size is less than 161 pixel, it is working perfectly, right? Okay, so in this way you can change. Okay, but if you use here col-sm, and if you use col-sm, and if you use col-sm, and let me check what will happen. If I reload this one, so now we can see here it is coming down, right? Okay, but if my screen size is greater than 576 pixel, so it is still working, right? But if I make the screen size is 565 pixel, sorry, 75 pixels, so now we can see here all my columns gone, and it is displaying in the block display, right? So in this way you can use the grid system. Okay, so if I want to create the 12 column, so now we can see here is the only 3 column, right? So I can easily create the 12 column here. Just I'm just pasting this one, 2, 3, 4. So now we can see I have 12 column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 columns inside the inside this div. Okay, So if I reload my web page, let me check what will happen. So now you can see here I have created 12 columns. Okay, so in this way you can easily create this type of the web page. Okay, so now you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. I created the 12 columns. So if I right click and if I click in the inspect, so now we can see here is a 12 column available. Okay, in this way you can easily create the columns. So before also I told you the Bootstrap grid system will have 12 columns. Okay, so for example, if I want only 4 columns, what to do? So first of all you have to create, let me comment this one. Okay, so first of all you have to you have to create a div class, div. Then you have to create a class row, and inside this div you have to create another div. Okay, so I am just typing here 𝗨𝘀𝗵𝗲𝗃, and I am giving the classes here col, okay, and col minus sm. Okay, so I am just giving this one, and I have to create the 4 div here. Okay, so here is a main div and those are the child div. The parent div class is row and the child div class is col minus sm. So if I reload my web page, let me check how many columns is created. So now we can see here the Bootstrap created 4 columns, right? So in this way you can create the different type of the columns as per your requirement. You can create 5 columns, you can create 6 columns, you can create 7 columns as per your requirement. Okay, so let's discuss about the col minus md. Okay, so I'm going to paste this quote here. Okay, so here is a sm, right? So if I change this one in the md, okay, I'm just closing this one, and if I click in the md, okay, so now you can see that I created 4 child div. Okay, so I created 4 child div here, and all the child div contains the class col minus md. And let me check what will happen. So now we can see it is showing me the 4 columns, right? And it is working if your screen size is equal to 768 pixel or greater than 768 pixel. For example, if your screen sizes become the 566 pixel, then it will not work. For example, if I come here and if I change the screen size in the 576 pixels, so now we can see it is not working, right? So in this way you can change this one. Okay, so if your screen size is greater than 768 pixel, then it will start to work. Okay, so another screen size is lg. Just you have to type here col minus lg, and you have to type here also col minus lg, and here is also col minus lg, and here also col minus lg. Okay, so now we can see here we created 4 child div which contained the class col minus lg, and the parent class is row. So if I reload this one, let me check what will happen. Now we can see here it is creating a block display, right? So but if I increase the screen size, so now you can see it is working, right? It means when your screen size is greater than 992 pixels, after that it will start to work. Okay, so if my screen size is 992 pixel, now it is working, right? But if my screen size became 991 pixel, now you can see it is not working. So in this way you can use col minus lg. Okay, and another screen size is col minus xl. Okay, so I'm just changing here col minus xl, here also col minus xl, here also col minus xl, here also col minus xl, and I'm saving it. If I reload this one, let me check, it is not working, right? Why it is not working? Because the screen sizes is only 992 pixels. That's why it is not working. If my screen sizes became 1200 pixels, now you can see here, and all the columns are displaying here. But my screen size became 1999. Now you can see here. Okay, sorry. 1199. Now you can see it is not working. Okay, so in this way you can use col-xl. So let me check col-xxl. Here also xxl, here also xxl. So now we can see here we created a main div which contain the class row, and we created 4 child div which contain the class col-xxl. Okay, and it will start to work when your screen size become bigger than 1400 pixel. So let me check. Okay, so now you can see here my screen size is 1199, but it is not working. If I make it 1200, still it is not working. If I make it 1300, still it is not working. But if I make it 1400 pixel, so now you can see it is working. Okay, so in this way you can use col-xxl class in your Bootstrap grid. Okay, so that's right. Okay, so this is the uses of 6 classes. So one question also still remaining, that is, if you want for example if you want to create first column is first column contains 6 column, third column second column contains 3 column, and third column contain 3 column. Okay, so now we can share if in this scenario what to do. For example, if you want to create first column should contain 6 column, second should contain 3 column, and the third column contains 3 column. If you want to create this type of the grid, then what to do? So it's too much easy and simple. So first of all, just you have to create a div. So I'm giving the comment for this one. So I'm creating a div and I'm giving the class also. The class is row, and inside this div I am creating a col. For example, I am just creating col-md-6. Okay, so before also I told you we have 12 columns in the Bootstrap grid system, right? So that's why. And now I am going to create a paragraph here, and I am just giving two content here. Okay, and again I am creating another div here also, and this child divs should have a class. That class should be col-md-3. okay, and after that you have to create a paragraph, and I am just writing a text. Sorry, I am just typing the only 50 words here. Again I am creating same classes here, so that's why I am just copying this one. Okay, and I am pasting here. So now we can see here we created 3 columns. The first div contain the col-md-6 class. So for this one, just you have to give the class here. Class is missing. Okay. Okay. So now we can see here the first div, the first child div have the class col-md-6. The second div have the class col-md-3, and the third div have also the class col-md-3. Okay. So in this way, you can create the classes, and it will give you or it will fulfill this requirement. Okay, so let me check what will happen. So I am reloading this one. Okay, so now I can see here my screen size is 1400, so that's why it is working. But if my screen sizes became 576 pixel, what will happen? Okay, so now I can see it is not working, right? But my screen sizes became more than 768 pixel. For example, if I make sorry, not 576 pixel, it is 768 pixel. Okay, so I am 768 pixel. So now we can see it is working, right? The first div contains 6 columns, and the second div contains 3 columns, and the third div contains the 3 column. So in this way also you can create the grid. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas. So in this video we discuss about the Bootstrap grid system. Hoping that you get few ideas from this class, and we will create more Bootstrap related videos in our future videos also. So that's why you can subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you are new in our YouTube channel, we are creating a series related with the Bootstrap. So hoping that you get few ideas and you learn something from this video. We will come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.